Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to talk about one of the most versatile phrasal verb in English, that is put. Here are 5 such verbs to help you master its use. Put on means to dress in or wear something. For example, I put on my jacket because it's cold outside. Use this when talking about clothing or accessories. Put off, that means to delay or postpone something. For instance, I always put off doing my homework until the last minute. This is great for discussing procrastination or delays. Put up with. Put up with means to tolerate or endure something. For example, I can't put up with the noise for the construction next door. Use this when talking about dealing with envies or difficulties. Put out. Put out means to extinguish something like a fire or a light. For example, please put out the candles before you leave. This is useful for safety instruction or ending something. Put together. This means to assemble or compile something. For instance, we need to put together the new desk we bought. Use this when talking about building or organizing items.